வெல்கம் டு ஆல். நான் உங்கள் ஹார்டர் டிஎன்பிசிலேருந்து அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் ஏஓ எக்ஸாம் நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட்டு 100 கொஷின்ஸ் பார்த்தோம் பார்ட் 1ல். இப்போ அடுத்தது பார்ட் 2ல் அடுத்த 100 கேள்விகள் பார்க்கலாம். ஃபஸ்ட் கொஷின், த ஷேர் ஆஃப் அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் அண்ட் அலைட் செக்டார்ஸ் டு டோட்டல் அவுட்லே இன் 5th இயர் பிளான் ஈஸ் அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஆன்சர் ஆப்ஷன் ஏ 18.5. 102 கொஷின், டாக்ட்ரைன் ஆஃப் comparative cost advantage was given by option C David Ricardo. 103 question, expand CAC means option A Codex Alimentarius Commission. 104th question, the following one is not a blue box measure in WTO. Answer is option C TRAFI. 105 question, minimum support price for farm commodities are recommended by option C CACP. 106 question, dash is the price of at which essential commodities are made available to the consumers at fair price shops. Option D issue price fair price. 107 question, break even point BEB is calculated as follows. Option B fixed cost divided by sales project minus variable cost into 100. 108 question, which is not an advantage of a cooperative form of business. Option C lack of secrecy. 109 question, expand NWR. Answer is option C negotiable warehouse receipt. 110 question, the loans that help the farmers to overcome distress sales are option B marketing loans. 111வது கேள்வி, KHA is an example for the storage structure. Option D underground. 112வது கேள்வி, dash grading means sorting out of goods according to the size, quality and other characters which are of fixed standards. Answer is option D mandatory. 113 question, total marketing cost incurred by all those intermediaries involved is rupees 300 tons and value added measured in terms of difference in the consumer's price and price received by the farmer is rupees 600 ton. The marketing efficiency is option C 200. Transportation adds. Answer is option B place utility. The curve representing all combinations of x1 and x2 that produce the same level of output is referred to as. Answer is option B isoquant. 116வது கேள்வி, take the ownership of the commodities through purchasing activity and attempt to make profit from the future price movements. Answer is option B merchant middleman. 117வது கேள்வி, dash refers to purchase or sale of a commodity in futures market accompanied by the sale or a purchase in the case market. Answer is option A hedging. 118வது கேள்வி, when a large number of sellers deal in heterogeneous and differentiated form a commodity, the situation is called as. Answer is option B monopolistic competition. 119வது கேள்வி, time utility is provided by option C storage function. 120வது கேள்வி, when a firm or agency gains control of other firms or agencies performing similar marketing functions at the same level in the marketing sequence is termed as. Answer is option B horizontal integration. 121வது கேள்வி, which of the following is an introduced pest? Answer is option A spiraling whitefly. 122வது கேள்வி, the study of circadian rhythm in insect is called as. Answer is option B chronobiology. 123வது கேள்வி, ecology is defined as the study of organisms at home is given by. Answer is option D Ernest Haeckel. 124, white tip disease of rice is caused by which of the following nematode? Answer is option B Aphylococcus. 125வது கேள்வி, the inspect pest holds adults are carrying notching of leaf edges and the young ones feeding on the roots of the plant is. Answer is option as we will. 126வது கேள்வி, in paddy is modified into gall like structure known as silver shoot. Answer is option A leaf sheath. 127, oozing out of brown resinous fluid from the fruits of the succurbits is due to the attack of. Option D. Answer option D fruit fly. 128வது கேள்வி, what is the mode of action of spiromycin? Answer is option D inhibitors of lipid synthesis. 129வது கேள்வி, which one of the following insecticides is likely to cause phytotoxicity on onion? Answer is option A monocrotophos. 130வது கேள்வி, the ETL for leafing infesting mite is cotton is ஆன்சர் ஆப்ஷன் ஏ 5 per centimeter square. 131வது கேள்வி. In rice tungro virus endemic areas the ETL for rice green leaf hopper is. Answer is option A 5 by hill. 132வது கேள்வி. Which one of the following insecticide is more safe to honeybees? Answer is option A Difluzoram. 133 To prevent the spread of dash pest in Tamil Nadu, quarantine stations were started at Mettupalayam, Kudalur and Shenbaganur during 1943. Answer is option A Erosoma langigerum an apple. 134 Leaf rust disease of coffee was introduced into a Indian farm. Answer is option D Sri Lanka. 135வது கேள்வி. Effectiveness of a Bacillus thuringiensis toxin will be more in dash pH. Answer is option A alkali. 136 Buy herbicide from Photophthora palmivora fungus is. Answer is option A divini. 137 Choose the very effective egg parasitoid against many lepidopteran pest. Answer is option B Trichogramma sp. 138 A weed that depends partly or fully on its host plant for growth is termed as. Answer is option D parasitic weed. 109வது கேள்வி. The formula for weed control efficiency WCE is not. Answer is option D WPC minus WPT divided by WPC into 100. 140வது கேள்வி. Which of the parasitic weed is serious in sugarcane crop? Answer is option C Stigga. 141 A dash variety is a variety that has been traditionally cultivated and evolved by farmers. Answer is option B farmers. 142 When selection favors the intermediate phenotype and acts against the extreme phenotypes, it is termed as. Answer is option B stabilizing selections. Are primitive varieties which has evolved over centuries or even millennia through naturally selected and adopted as an mat but without a systematic breeding effort. Answer is option D land races. 144 The temperature for cryopreservation of germplasm using liquid nitrogen is. Answer is option D minus 196 degrees Celsius. 145 Top potency of a plant cells was predicted by dash in 1902. Answer is option B Haberland. 146 Which one of the following is not a PCR based molecular marker? Answer is option C RFLP. 147 Protoplasm fusion is commonly induced by the dash. Answer is option B polyethyl glycol. 148 dash is an attribute responsible for drought escapes. Answer is option B airliners. 141 Which one of the following wheat variety is a second introduction in India? Answer is option C Kalyana Sona. 150 A white seeded sesame variety released by TNAU. Answer is option B VRI.3. 151வது கேள்வி. A method of evaluation in inbred dash. Answer is option A top class test. 152வது கேள்வி. Dash is a source of male sterilic cytoplasm in cotton. Answer is option A Gospium tuberei. Which of the following is not related to hybrid rice seed production? Answer is option B Gynoecious line. 154வது கேள்வி. The difference is planting time for nicking in hybrid seed production is known as. Answer is option B start gearing. 155வது கேள்வி. When two spices say A and C cannot be crossed directly and third spices example B which is used to make compatible crosses is called as. Answer is option A bridge spices. 156 Rangpur line root stack of circuits is used for development of dash tolerant plants. Answer is option B salinity. 157வது கேள்வி. In dash method F2 and the subsequent generations are harvested in mass or as bulks to raise in next generation. Answer is option B bulk method. 158 seedless watermelon is produced by crossing. Answer is option C teraploid and diploid. 159வது கேள்வி. Sunflower belongs to the family. Answer is option B Compositae. அடுத்து 160வது கேள்வி. Geotonogamy results when pollen from a flower of a one plant falls on. Answer is option D stigma of other flowers of same plant. 161வது கேள்வி an interculture implement for wide row crops like sugarcane, cotton, etc. is answer is option B junior hoe. 162 in artificial bee hives, bee space or bee passage was discovered by answer is option B L.L. Langscratch. 163 Thai sharp-throat virus specifically attacks answer is option C Apis cerana indica. 164வது கேள்வி method of irrigation include answer is option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. 165வது கேள்வி 1 cubic meter tank stores dash liter of water answer is option C 1000. 166வது கேள்வி the quantity of irrigation water to be applied for a sunflower crop is 8 cm. IW/CPE ratio of 0.9 is recommended for irrigation. Work out the cumulative pan evaporation answer is option C 8.88. 167வது கேள்வி the major common nutrient deficiency symptoms in crop plants include answer is option D all of the above. 168 which of the following rhizobium sp fixes nitrogen in alfalfa answer is option A rhizobium milioti. 169வது கேள்வி the potassium solubilizing bacteria is answer is option C Bacillus mucilaginosus. 170வது கேள்வி the pathogen which restricts the growth of acetobacter is answer is option C fusarium. 171 one of the following is reduced by nitrogenase during biological nitrogen fixation answer is option A N2 nitrogen. அடுத்தது 172வது கேள்வி organic N content of soil increases steadily with the application of answer is option A urea. 173வது கேள்வி Azorhiozobium calinodonus gases root and stem nodules in the plant answer is option A Sesibania rostrata. 174வது கேள்வி the fresh poultry manure droppings contain answer is option B 60% of moisture, 1.0% of N, 0.75% of P2O5 and 0.3% of K2O. 175வது கேள்வி which of the following is not a method of nutrient observation by the crop plants answer is option D nutrient exchange. 176 aggregation of rice crops has been founded to supplement nitrogenous fertilizers to extent of answer is option B 20 to 30 kg N /Ha in season. அடுத்தது 177வது கேள்வி பெங்களூர் மெத்தட் ஆஃப் கம்போஸ்டிங் வாஸ் டெவலப்டு பை ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஆப்ஷன் ஏ அக்ஷயா அண்ட் சுப்பிரமணியன். 178வது கேள்வி direct or indirect harmful effect that one plant has a another plant through release of chemical substance the phenomenon known as answer is option B allelopathy. 179 what is the LER land equivalent ratio of the given cotton based cropping system answer is option B 1.2. 180 question pressed mud is used as a answer is option B in alkaline and saline soils. 181வது கேள்வி the unique institution under ICAR to conduct research training in agricultural management is answer is option C NAARM. 182வது கேள்வி National Commission on Farmer was headed by the answer is option B Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. 183வது கேள்வி the areas which enjoy special privileges as compared with other areas of the country are called answer is option A special economic zones CES. 184வது கேள்வி National Seed Corporation NSC Limited was primarily established to fulfill the needs of dash seed production answer is option C hybrid rice. 185வது கேள்வி food grain production in India during 2014 to 2015 was answer is option A 212 million tons. 186வது கேள்வி at present India supports dash percentage of global land and 70% of world population answer is option B 2.3%. 187 match the following ஆந்திர பிரதேஷ் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரைஸு, மகாராஷ்டிரா அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மெஸ்ஸி, பஞ்சாப் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சுகர் கேன், தமிழ்நாட்டில் வந்து கிரவுண்ட்நட் நிலக்கடலை. ஓகே 188 நாட் அன் எக்கனாமிக் ஃபேக்டர் அஃபெக்டிங் த கிராப் பேட்டர்ன் இன் இந்தியா ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஆப்ஷன் டி இரிகேஷன். 189வது கேள்வி டோட்டல் ஜியோகிராஃபிக்கல் ஏரியா ஆஃப் தமிழ்நாடு இஸ் ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஆப்ஷன் சி 13.06 MHA. 190வது கேள்வி த ஸ்டேட் ஹேவிங் த ஹையஸ்ட் கிராப்பிங் intensity ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஆப்ஷன் பி பஞ்சாப். 191 quinquennial review team is constituted for dash yearly review of performance of every institute answer is option D 5. 192 based on the recommendation of Royal Commission report of the dash Imperial Council of Agricultural Research was established on 16 July 1929 and after independence it was renamed as ICAR answer is option C 1928. 193வது கேள்வி Agricultural Research Institute at Pushpa, Bihar created in was shifted to Delhi in 1936 after a devastating earthquake and is being called the Indian Agricultural Research Institute but still popularly known as Pusha Institute. Answer is option C 1905. 194வது கேள்வி The Planning Commission constituted as a task group of revamping and refocusing of NARS in October 2004 for the promotion of basic and strategic research in agriculture under whose chairmanship. Answer is option C Dr. R.A. Masilkilkar. 195 The DAS sector has the highest share of the net state domestic product of Tamil Nadu. Answer is option C service sectors. 196 After independence, the government of India appointed the National Income Committee in the year dash to compile authoritative estimates of a national income. Answer is option C 1949. 197 The first 5-year plan was formulated and implemented for the period 1951 to 1956. 198வது கேள்வி The Gangetic Plains region prone to frequent flooding is. Answer is option C Lower Gangetic Plains region. 199 In 5-year plans, which year of the 5-year is incorrect? Answer is option D 4th 5-year plan 1980 to 1985. 200வது கேள்வி The second 5-year plan laid emphasis on. Answer is option C intensive farming practice. Okay guys, இதோட நம்ம 200 கேள்வி வந்து finish பண்ணியாச்சு. Agriculture engineering. Thanks for watching.